Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to make animated stickers for WhatsApp. So let's get right into it. Head over to your WhatsApp application and head over to any of the chats, and if you go there, you will find there are some stickers right here. As you can see, some stickers are getting animated, and if you want to use from here, you can use them. Just click on them and they are just animated stickers. And if you want them to be like if you want to just edit some stickers, click on it and click on edit sticker. You can just make whatever you want and animate it according to you. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.